Just made this smoothie. Shout out Raw Superfood. Here's Luke trying to figure out the oven.
I can't figure it out. Yeah.
We're making pizzas to go.
Oh, we're chilling. I heavily disagree with this.
Dude, it's fun cutting pizza.
I hate that it's working this well.
You have a perfect heart-shaped hole on your butt.
Really?
Like, kind of giving a funny message. Backup shirt for when I start sweating more. Woo! What is it? It's like a giant mosquito. Hey!
Oh yeah, we got the gallon.
Yeah. Let's check.
I forgot about Oh shit.
Oh yeah, Luke, you scared? Yeah.
Get it. Oh. Oh, it worked.
That's all you need to do is believe you can do it. I love that, Christy. Whoa!
Kid, you don't even need your camera, it's just gonna overheat.
I know, my phone's about to overheat. Whoa! You got this. Out of here. Yep. Called it.
It doesn't matter. Yes. Yeah, Danny. Yes. Oh my God. Sorry. I fell.
That's right. Now we can leave the spot.
No! Did he already do it?
Yeah, he did. This is local.
backside of the first one.
We're fried. No way, how do you get a toe up? This hill sucks.
I know, it's really hard to
Whoa. That was so scary.
That was gnarly.
Beach break, because it's freaking dangerous hot. I must. Nice and refreshed, ready to go and shred the gnar.
The gnar.
These surfers. I had to change my shirt because I dropped mine in a puddle. Now I'm repping my own art, so not too bad. Wow, this looks like my dog who passed away. This is Mo. I miss him every day of my life. This spot looks sick, way too tall for me, but let's go, Tony! Hi! Zip hi! Another one! Random toe. Hey! Shout out to this random dude. How did he just get another stranger to tow him? Legend. Whatever biker passes by, he just grabs them and then they're just down. They're all so small and adorable. So they're asking these homeowners for permission to skate the shootout rail. Pretty sick, eh?
It's a good spot.
Skate it.
Dude, nah.
Oh yeah, I got it for sure.
Danny's got it, yeah.
I even tried to bondo this crack, but it
Bondo it.
re-cracked. You're over it?
I think so. The crack is giant up there.
It's big.
Yeah. That's right. My G. That's how that ended. You guys are super comfy in here. I'm jealous. I want to ride in the juicer van.
Come in.
Just got to this random spot. It has these little ledges everywhere. You. Worst 15 ever. What's up?
That's pretty big. Almost.
Whoa! I got you still. Man, hell yeah. I'm not better than you. Just kidding. Whoa! Oh my god! Fuck yeah! We just got the finger!
That was
That
so good.
was so good! Woo!
Run that back.
Yep, yep,
Can we play that back?
yep, yep. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can just sit down and relax for the rest of the day now.
Thanks.
Hell yeah. I'm having so much fun right now and I'm not even kidding. I'm just filming them, but okay, juice. Alright, I guess we're done here. First try in the dark. Weak. Okay, I'm out of breath. I want everyone to know that this is one of the biggest motivators for me continuing skateboarding ever in my life. There's so many times I wanted to quit. He motivated me from my first part, connected me to all these awesome skaters. Love yourself.
Yes.
Thanks, Brent.
Fuck yeah, Brent.
Damn, shout out was real right there.
Shout out was real. Damn. That's right, Danny.
That's your last one right there. You're done.